everybody, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so to make this DIY decor piece, I'm grabbing my Mod Podge glue and painting it with my sponge applicator onto the glass bottle. When you painted wherever you want to put your glue, that's when you want to put your rice directly on top. The best thing about this glue is that it dries clear, so it makes it easier when you want to layer it up. And this is me putting on the second layer and grabbing more rice and sprinkling it on top. This was so much fun to do and it's really easy and it turns out really good at the end, so make sure you stick around for that. When you finish put on the rice on top, you want to let it dry. Because we did multiple layers, it took around 1 hour to dry, so when you let that dry, you're ready for the next step. Once it's dry, you want to spray paint your bottle. I chose the color gold, and you want to let this dry as well. This is what it looks like. Once it's dry, your next step is to decorate. I've chosen some pearl garlands, and the best way to stick it on is to grab your glue gun and decorate the rest of the bottle. I've also added some diamante gem stickers to kind of accent on the top, which really brought it together too. And yeah, that is the end of my DIY decor. Here's the close-up of my final product, guys. This was so much fun to do. I highly recommend it for you guys to try it out. If you like this video, make sure you share, comment, like, and most importantly, subscribe.
Joyeux anniversaire. Son terme à quoi là? Love you.